How to find your US routing number. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to find our US routing number very easily. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So if we're on the online banking website, one of the ways we can look out for it is we can need to log in into account. So we can use this we can use our credentials right here on the login interface. Enter the username and the password and click on login and log in into account. Once we've done so, we can just go over and check up our savings or our checking account and look out for the option called account details, and there we can directly find an option called routing number and it will display the routing number here. It will be listed this way. We can just go over and view it. This is one of the methods available. Apart from that, we can use the check as well. So in your US banking check, if you have a paper check, you can just go over and directly look at the bottom left, and there you'll be finding the first 9 digits, which is our routing number. This is one of the easiest methods that we can follow up to find our routing number on US Bank. Apart from that, we can use the mobile application and follow up the same process. Go to our account, and in the account details, we can view our routing number. And our bank statement also should display it. It's usually listed right with our account info. US Bank has different routing numbers depending upon where you opened up your account, so make sure you use the correct one for your account. And if nothing else works, you can directly contact the customer support as well and basically ask for your routing number. Do not confuse it with your account number. Always double check before transfers. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can just head over and follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.